Okay, you guys, so here I am. I got out the shower. I finished blow drying my hair somewhat. I mean, it looks good enough for me. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. I really want to cut my ends, y'all, but I'm scared. Flat iron the top a little bit just to make it less, poofy. So I think I'm about to do that right now. All right, so this is what it's looking like so far. It looks better than it did before, so I'm happy. I'm gonna do a little bit of this and then I'm done. I'm not doing too much, nothing too crazy. So okay, you guys, so by this point I kind of skipped over the flat ironing. I was doing the lower layer of my hair because I have a section at the top, which you guys will see in a bit, that I did a rubber band design with. So basically I'm just designing it. I combed everything on the sides and in the back. So yeah. With this part of the hairstyle, you can really play around with it. You don't have to do the same style that I'm doing. You could switch it up. I honestly just did my own thing as well. I was watching the YouTube video, but for the most part, I just kind of freestyled it because the person's video whose I was watching was a little complicated and I just wanted something more simple, but cute. And you guys will see how I achieved this look. You guys, so for this part, as you can see, I'm braiding my hair. This was the first method that I tried, but it didn't work out for me. I just left the clip in here so you guys can see and realize that doing your hair is really trial and error. You're not gonna get everything right the first time. And so that's why I wanted to add this clip in here. You guys will see me undo it later and just blend my hair in with the braiding hair. That worked out way better for me. Y'all, this whole time I've been watching tutorials because I am so confused on how to do this top ponytail part. Like, if y'all see this thing look a mess. I'm trying to follow as best as I can, but the struggle is real. The struggle is freaking real. You guys, so clearly I was still stressed out. I kept getting it wrong. So I'm just showing you guys a trial and error, but lo and behold, everything will turn out fine in the end. Y'all, at this point, what am I doing? And that, I'm gonna have to start this over though, because this don't look right. It just don't. It just don't. Okay, you guys, so for this part of the video, I finally end up getting the braid the way I wanted to. So here you just see me doing the braid all the way through. And after that, I'm going to grab that little piece in the front and wrap it around the top of my braid. Okay, you guys, so for this part of the video, basically you guys see me wrapping my hair and I'm not using any got to be because I'm just showing you guys what the style looks like so far. I was very happy at this point because I was so overdoing my hair already. But yeah, basically this is it. I finished most of it, which I think it came out pretty good. What do you guys think? Leave it down below. And yeah. You guys, so this is the finished look. This is the top. I will link down below the videos that I watched to do this. And this is the back. I know the back isn't perfect, but y'all, it's a good try. It's a really good try. Wow, and I was even, y'all, even though this don't even look good either, I was able to add hair, like, and I was able to do that myself. When I tell y'all I'm never going to nobody to do no ponytail, I think it looks a mess on the bottom. I don't know why, because, well, I tried to do it best as I could. But it's the fact that your girl, it really did this. I'm shocked. The first time I got it done on my birthday, the girl charged me $95. And here we are. I did it even with some designs on top for the free. The hair was, I don't know how much the hair was. I don't know. But the hair wasn't that much. It's probably like $5. It's not that expensive. I got the Ultra Glue. I got the spray as well. $8.99, I think $8.99. $4.99. A bobby pin. That's really all I got. The expressions, the hair, this. Everything else I already had, you guys. And yeah, I just really love how it came out. Even though it's not perfect, it looks good to me. Okay? And that's all that matters. Period. Y'all, I got this guy that I like in the gym. So I was like, let me attempt this so I can look good for him and all that. Period. But yeah, I'm gonna look cute on Monday. I know he gonna be like, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel because it's lit on this side, y'all. And I love y'all, love y'all, love y'all so much. If you attempt this look, show me on my Instagram, YouTube, whatever. Just tag me. Guys, at the next video. And if you really enjoyed this, make sure to let me know. You know, leave comments in the comments down below because I like interacting with you guys. And yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful, lovely day. God bless you. I love you and peace out.